Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to sign out of Instagram on all devices. So if you think someone else has access to your Instagram account or you simply want to log out everywhere, so Instagram lets you remove your account from all login devices. So this is a great way to protect your account, especially after using a shared or public device. So here's how to do it. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Once you're here, go to Account Center. Next, select Password and Security. Then in here, scroll down and under Security Checks, click where you're login. Select your Instagram account if you have a lot of accounts. So here you'll see list of devices currently signed in. So tap Select Devices to log out or choose the device you want to remove. So at the bottom, you can select or click Select Devices to log out or just choose the device you want to remove. For example, this device right here. So once you click the device, tap Log Out and confirm the action by clicking Log Out again. So if you believe your account may have been compromised, so it's also a good idea to change your Instagram password immediately. So doing so signs out your account from all devices using the old password, helping to keep your account secure. And that's all it takes to sign out of Instagram on all devices. So your account will remain safe and you'll need to sign back in only on the devices you want to keep using. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.